welcome to all Sanskriti Sribotis. Today's episode is on Kutch work, episode number 123. Lovely hand mirror works and Kutch works in Tussar and Koras. So let's not waste time and get started. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta, Sanskriti Kolkata. So product number 1 is on Kora. These are all silk organzas with mirror work. Mirror works have been done in Ari work, hand Ari, and these are all lovely embroidery. See, narrow, sleek, narrow border with loads of mirrors. But these are mica. We don't use the original mirrors because it's difficult to wash, and also the sari becomes very heavy. So the alternate option is mica, which we use at these sheets, which looks very nice, lightweight, and also it gives a very good finish. So this is the way we've attached. We have not attached the fabric on top of the organza. We have cut off the fabric and then added this extra material for the lightness of the fabric and also for the better finish. So this is the sari. It's in mustard color with coffee color combination. Very smart looking. This is the pallu part. 6,990 rupees. Product number 1, 6990. Throughout the body there will be mirrors also, and then it's very lightweight, very smart looking, sleek border, and the color combination is a little different also with chignon blouse piece. I'm giving you a crepe chignon blouse which will have this border also. The blouse is in contrast in coffee color. With the embroidery, this will be the back side, will be with mirror work, and the two sleeves will be also with the border and mirror work. So this is the coffee color sari with the mirror work. So it's a beautiful combination, mustard and coffee color combination in silk organza. Just the opposite combination, coffee with mustard. The body is in coffee and the sari is in the border is in mustard color. So likewise the blouse will also be in contrast. So this way you can understand the exact color. It's a rich dark chocolate color. See, it gives a very smart look on wearing because these are sheer fabric of silk. 6,990 rupees. Just see the back side, the neatness of the back side. With this we have attached the border on top so that it gives the color looks a bit better in this. So this is the way, separately attached. Throughout it will have the mirror work, and of course with the contrast blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece, as I show always that the blouse is with the sleeves will have the work and also the back part. So you have to make it a short sleeve. See, it's a very smart looking concept and the style is also different. Party wear, very lightweight, and of course with this mustard blouse it will give a very smart look. This is the blouse piece, as I said, and very reasonably priced also, 6,990 rupees. Jet black with a dark wine color, dark maroon color combination. Here, so this is a black with a deep maroon color border. Again, as I say also always, the border is not attached on top of this. This is the back side. We have added the extra fabric. So this looks very smart on wearing. It looks different. Actually, this is the way we, Sanskriti Kolkata, we always give priority to the finish of the product. The overall complete finish is very important to me. So I make sure that the end product has to be of perfect finish. So that way, this is one of those. This is the border of the blouse piece. Again in crepe chignon blouse piece. This, the narrow, since there is narrow border in the sleeves, I have given a border in the back side also. So this is the sari. Black and maroon color. All party wear. These are ideal for party wear, lightweight saris, and a little different also. This is in bottle green with maroon border, wine color, wine and bottle green color combination. So this is the overall this thing. I always wear cotton petticoats. If you have a option of satin petticoat, well and good. Otherwise, cotton petticoats are also fine with this. 6990, product number 4, bottle green with wine color combination. This color is also a very rich color combination, green and wine. And with this, of course, the blouse piece will also be in wine color, similar to the others. Here is the back side, and here is the sleeves for the sleeve work. For your sleeves, the mirror work for the sleeves, both the sleeves. So this is the color combination. All new colors, new shades, and again the opposite of what I showed. This is wine with the bottle green border, just the opposite. We have two branches in Kolkata. The one is 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We have the menswear section in this branch, and the other branch is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, near Ballygunge railway station. Car park is available there. Sundays we are closed, but before pujas we will be opening in the Sundays also. The other days, Monday to Saturday, 10 AM to 8 PM. So these are our working hours. So you can message me in the number 7603042696. Personally, I answer all the queries, and the other number is also there, 983 number, where you can also go for bookings. But kindly, I always say, please contact only one number for a booking. Please don't contact multiple numbers. There is a lot of confusion we are facing if you contact multiple numbers. So it's best if you contact the one number. Please wait. We'll definitely get back to you within 24 hours. It usually takes 10 to 12 hours to get your reply, but not even that long. So please have patience, and I'll be definitely replying to all your messages. In case you see that I've not replied, please resend the message once again. I am always in touch with you because I'm the one who keeps on answering your message, though it's in very short form, because I have to answer around 200 to 250 messages in few minutes. So that's why my replies are very, very short, but you will get the answer definitely. All your queries will be answered. Once the bank payment is done, once I give you the confirmation of the availability of the product, and once the payment is done, we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. You have to send the screenshot of the product. The screenshot is must. Screenshot of the product that I'm showing you, and then just mention your name, the address and the phone number, shipping address, name and phone number, once the booking is confirmed in one message, because I forward it to my dispatch team. So single message, name, again another line, so it becomes too many messages. I feel very scared when there are so many messages that are pending reply. So one message would be convenient for my packing department, courier department also, so that they can dispatch the product with the full name, address and phone number. And the zip code is very important. Whenever you give the message address, please mention your pin code or zip code if it's abroad. 6990, mustard and maroon color combination. This is a very nice haldi color combination with magenta kind of a border, magenta color, turmeric color, very pretty color. It's not exactly mustard, it's actually turmeric with a magenta. This blouse piece, this is the magenta crepe blouse. We have full stock in our branches, both the branches, but to get the exact this product, you have to pre-book it. You'll get more collections like organzas. We have many more varieties in printed organza, Banarasi, koras, embroideries. But exactly this color, this border, this design, you have to pre-book. This is the close-up of the embroidery that I was showing you, just for your reference. Please like, share and subscribe for regular notifications so that you get the messages. We have the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page where the still pictures will be uploaded of these products. There's also the Insta page which you can follow. The Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. We have the photo albums like Kutch work. These will be uploaded. You will get to see more options there also. This is in pure Tussar Kutch work, hand embroidery, 9,500. This is a powder bluish color, greyish blue, with pale rose pink thread work, with mirrors, again mica, hand work, pure Tussar, and with rich thread work blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, the sleeves and the back will have the work. Very nice color combination, very sober and soothing combination, 9,500 in pure Desi Tussar with mirror works. This is the border and the pallu. So many colors have come, so I'll show you what are ready now. See the rich embroidery in the pallu. This is in lemon and green color combination. See the work. The color is in olive and leaf green. 9,500 for this too. Close up of the work. Throughout there will be buta. And just see the rich blouse piece. We'll get this lovely thread work blouse. This is the whole work is there. Rich blouse piece. Here is the very soft quality, heavy count Tussar with hand embroidery, fully hand work. You can see the rich pallu also, even the border is also very fine and heavy work. Now a light soft baby pink color, pastel shades. So these are all in pastels. Soft strawberry pink color with silver grey thread work. This is not zari, this is thread work. 9,500, product number 9. It's a very light color, but it's a very soothing color. But the color is the strawberry pink is really a very cute color because it has a very rich blouse piece also. See the blouse piece, it's full work. Here. In case you can't see the full picture of the products, you can please check out the Facebook page. So these will be uploaded in the Facebook page. Closely I am showing you the whole sari, so you can understand because the close-up picture also I have to show you. I am showing you the close-up embroidery also. Now number 10, your all-time favorite fusion bandhej with Kutch work. It's in dark navy blue color. with sea green, with light sky blue sea green work. Bandhej tussar with Kutch work. So this is done in 2 different states. 10,950 rupees. 10,950 hand bandhej with mirror work and Kutch work. These actually, I wish I could show you many more in these, but these take so long, and now because of the rainy season the process is still being further delayed. But whenever these are ready, I keep showing you. So this is the blouse piece for this. It's a light sky blue with sea green embroidery. Both the sleeves will have the border, and you can understand that, you know, transportation from one state to another, this also takes a lot of time. We don't take orders because, you know, the same color after dyeing can never be possible. Then it becomes an obligation for you to purchase since you have given the order. That's why we don't take the order for these. But these keep coming and going. Whenever new colors you will be able to see. This is the pallu for this, but all single piece, no recreations for these. A black, similar one, black and matte red. I'm saying matte because since it's tussar, the red is not as loud as silk. It gives a very nice dark red color. Maroonish red, 10,950 rupees. See the lovely big pallu, black bandhej throughout the sari, and then the border is in Kutch work with mirrors. And of course the blouse will be in red with the border. This similar type I had shown in one of the previous episodes, black and red combination, but since the border was different embroidery, I'm showing you once more time because the border is different but the concept is the same. 10,950 rupees for this tussar bandhej Kutch work. Now coming to product number, just a minute, yeah, number 12. Okay, this is in cotton. Pure cotton, Bengal cotton. It has zari check. I had shown white in one of the previous Kutch work episode and we got a lot of response, very good response. This is a multicolored block print, which Costa block, which we say in the term they use for this kind of printing, the Costa block in the lower border. The pallu will have multiple colored hand embroidery Kutch work in pure Bengal cotton checks. The upper border will have these multicolored Kutch. Those who love good quality cotton and with hand work, so it's a good option for them, little different, and it looks very bright also because the body color is sober. We do 2 colors in this. One is this cream color and the other one is in milk white color. So we are taking orders for this, but it will take minimum 45 days time after you give a 50% advance. So but this 45 days time can be 10 days plus minus, so we have to keep that in mind in the case this gets sold out. We will take orders, but you have to give this time, which is approximate time. This is the close up of the work, and here is the blouse piece for this. Cotton, pure cotton, and price 3,990 rupees even for the milk white one. 2 colors of not, I'll say milk white, it's a little off white. This is creamish. Now coming to what I'm wearing, again it's a zari border, pure tussar. Here I have not done anything to the border. The border I've left it as it is, a little new different design in Kutch work. The body I have done throughout work butta, because I wanted to keep the sari simple, but the blouse and pallu I wanted to make it heavy. So this is the pallu part, and the cost is also coming down, much down, 8,500. The previous one with the heavy blouse that I showed you was 9,500. Now 1,000 rupees less for this, because I have not done the border and I have done the booty and the pallu heavy. With, see, the colors are, the saris also has a zari border, so in that case the sari is also a bit expensive. And then the blouse, I have done it very rich, heavy blouse work, full throughout blouse embroidery. So it's a blouse highlighted sari. You wear the sari with particularly this blouse only, the front, the back, the sleeves, throughout work. So this is the back part. This is the sleeve front part, the front work, front opening is also there, and this is the sleeve part. So it's a fully embroidered sari with a rich blouse piece, rich pallu and a lovely moss green color in pure tussar with zari border. 8,500, hand work, pocket friendly and a very smart looking one. And the color combination with mustard and moss green color combination. Even the one that I am wearing, just see, it's a dark wine color with teal blue thread work, pallu, and it will have a very rich blouse, as I said. Here you can understand, this is the blouse piece for this. The back, the sleeves, it's full of work. So you see, it's a fully blouse highlighted sari, and of course once you wear it, it will look very, very different. See, zari border, very smart piece. And the neck piece that I am wearing, it's 1,700. It's the neck piece, Rudraksh neck piece with this earring, handmade. 1,700 is the neck piece, and the sari 8,500 rupees for the sari. Now few more colors in the similar concept. This is a deep onion pink color, magenta rather you can say, with again pallu, 8,500, 8,500. So you see, I am trying to do these handworks in cotton, which is 3,990 rupees. Now coming to pure tussar with zari weave, 8,500. Then I showed you the one with the heavy border, pallu and blouse, 9,500. I also showed you the Kutch work with bandhej, which is 10,950 rupees. So you see, the all range I am trying to show you, so that all budget, all of you can purchase these handwork saris, being pocket friendly to the party wear ones also. This is the blouse piece. See, it's a very rich color combination, more or less deep to light tone, and here is the pallu part, 8,500. Now another color, product number 15, mustard and rust, reddish rust, pallu, sleek border in the pallu with zari weave, same price, 8,500. Throughout butta with again a lovely rich red thread work blouse piece. Now this concept, 8,500 range, I'll show you some very, very unique color. This is a burgundy color. The description, the color details is mentioned, 8,500. No filters, we do not filter. Even in the Facebook page we upload, we do not filter. The prices are openly mentioned. There is a shipping charge for all shipments, and the shipping depends on the weight and the destination. So we are very, very transparent with our details. The blouse piece. Details of the blouse piece. The work, the full work. So very, very earthy. It's a earthy color combination, but very unique combination. Now going to the little brighter shades. A deep midnight blue color. 8500. It's not royal blue, it's not navy blue, it's in between color. It's in between royal and navy. It's a very nice color actually, very rich color, and of course with a very, very equally rich blouse piece. Here. Jet black. 8500, product number 18. Very smart, lightweight, flowy sari. So you can see how beautiful the fall is coming. It's a very flowy, pretty sari. 8500 with red and rust work. Peachish color. There are 2-3 color threads that has been used. Very smart looking one, and of course it will have the rich blouse piece. Yeah, so you can understand the get-up. Now something very different for you, all the suit lovers. Pure tussar catchwork suit piece. So you see, as I always say, there's something new for you in every episode. So this is something different that we are showing in the catchwork episode. So this is a pure tussar fully work kurta with sleeves work. Here is the embroidery in the sleeves. The chest size will come to at least 44 inches. So till XL size you can make the kurta. So this is the kurta. The color combination is also very rich. The front will have throughout work. The back will be plain tussar. The black back doesn't have work. The front full work. Now coming to the bottom, I'll be giving you a good quality cotton bottom, big width, 2.25 meters. So this is the bottom that will come with this, and you will get a complete full length dupatta. See, it's a pure tussar dupatta, 36 inches width. This is the dupatta. So here is the kurta, here is the dupatta, and I've already shown you the bottom part. It's a very elegant formal wear for corporate meetings and for gifting. It's a beautiful piece in pure desi tussar, hand embroidery, patchwork, and the price for this is the 6990 for the set. 6,990 rupees for the set. That's 19A. This is 19B. These are all kurtas. (19B). The previous one, it will be short sleeves. This one you can make till full sleeves or 3/4 sleeves. The work is in the side. So this is the kurta. This is the sleeve work. Sleeves. Yes, it will have the dupatta and the bottom. Dupatta, the kurta, same price, 19A and B. So I'll show you few more suits that have come recently. This is 20A and B. So this is 20A, peach color with red thread work. You know, these are, sometimes you don't feel like wearing a sari in a formal gathering. You just don't have much time, or you are going from an office to some occasion. And anyway, these are handwork, and these have a different, these are priceless actually, and that too done in pure tussar. Nowadays, very difficult to get karigars who can do suit pieces. Saris, though we have so many, but karigars for suits, it's very, same karigar, the charges they get for a sari, they don't get that much for a suit. So, but the price, the fabric is the same. We need 2.5 meters for a dupatta and for a kurta also. This is the bottom. So 6,990 rupees for this peach color, kurta, tussar, and here is the dupatta again. All pure tussar dupattas with tassels. So I'm not opening the whole dupatta. This is the dupatta with the tassels. A full dupatta, but small width, not the 36 inches width, standard width. Pista color. Kurta tussar. Again, the side, these will be short sleeve. Only one piece you will get 3/4 sleeves. And if you attach a material, like if you want a full sleeve for this, you can attach a same color printed or a same color rust material and attach the sleeves also. That also looks very nice. And the bottom. So that's it. Only 4 pieces I could do for the suits. Now something for some lovely Kutch work saris in Bangalore silk. This is 9,500 Bangalore silk, 3D Gujarati in Bangalore silk. See the work, pallu, (3D Gujarati stitch in Bangalore silk. Blouse piece, similar color to the pallu. Blouse piece. Rich color combination, very bright and rich. The sari itself is a 3D woven sari and very, very neat finish work. 9500. Now some exclusive Kutch work. It's a real beauty. Product number 22. 9,900. See the work and the amount of mirror work that has been done. It's a very gorgeous, bright, jet black Bangalore silk. It's a half-and-half woven sari with lovely heavy work done. Hand work, 9900. Jet black. See the work closely, how pretty it is with temple embroidery. And here comes the next weave. Blouse piece for this, jet black with the border, and see the sari. beauty. It's a beautiful sari and all single piece. Now coming to Bangalore silk, again handwork Gujarati with mirror work. The mannequin is wearing a mustard with a off-white and red thread work, and the price is 8,500 for this. 8500. Blouse piece will have the border. Full work, big pallu, double pallu. Few more similar one in Bangalore silk in rich dark maroon color. See the work. Heavy quality Bangalore silk throughout embroidery with the border in the sleeves. Here is the border. This is very good quality Bangalore silk. The work is done in white with mirrors, and the price for this is 8,500. Navy, these are all very heavy work. Lot of work has been done in this and all hand work. The work is in navy with white color thread. Bangalore silk with blouse piece will have the border. Here is the blouse piece and here is the sari. Number 25, pink color, lovely shade of pink with lot of work, big border. One side will have a broader border, the upper part will have slightly sleeker border. A very rare color in Bangalore silk. See, so much of work. Of course, the sleeves will have the border too. And here is the sleeve work, in case I've missed out. I think I missed out. So this is the sleeve work. $8,500. The last one, magenta, very big pallu. It's not the sleek narrow pallu, all double pallu. More than 1 meter work in the pallu. And the designs are all different. So this episode, I'm sure you will love it, because I've shown variety from cotton to silk to cotton embroidery to tussar with variety of work, the silks also, and also suit pieces, which many of you message me to show and to do all these kind of Katha and Gujarati suit sets. So once those 4 pieces were ready, so I showed you all the 4 pieces. And lastly, the blouse pieces which you all love. Pure tussar blouse piece, full work, front, back, full work will be there in pure tussar. This is in a navy color. 2990 for Gujarati stitch navy blue work. 2990 for this. B pista, you can take only blouse pieces. Pista, this is the back, this is the front, full work. 2990 rust. Just take the screenshot. The combination is very smart. All 2,990 rupees. Last one, mint green. So, 2,990 rupees. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much.